Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your Microsoft account wasn't changed to a local account. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error while switching to local account, your Microsoft account wasn't changed to local account, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this first method, you can try by updating your Windows. Just click on this search menu, then type here settings. Click on the settings and click on Windows Update. If there is any pending update available, then click for check for update. Then wait to complete the all pending updates. After update, just restart your PC and check. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Click on this, right click on this start menu, then click on run. Here you need to type secpol.msc, then hit enter. Local security policy window will be opened. In this, you will find here local policies. Double click and expand it. After that, you will find security options. Just single click. After that, in right side, you need to find account block Microsoft account properties. You can see here account block Microsoft account. Double click on that, click on this drop down menu and select this policy is disabled. Just click on apply, then click OK. After that, just close this window. After doing this, just try by switching to local account. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your Microsoft account wasn't changed to local account. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.